Hello, welcome to Card Minds. Thank you for stopping by. This is going to be a Cancer money and career reading for the month of October 2021, or whenever you stumble upon this reading and you feel you connect with the messages. All right, Cancer, let's see what's going on in this month of October in your career situation. Cancer, money and career, October 2021. The Magician. Cancer, money and career. Cancer, money and career. King of Cups. Queen of Swords. Cancer, money and career. Eight of Wands. Cancer, money and career. All right, let's put these back. Two of Swords. Cancer, money and career. Nine of Cups. The Star. The Hermit. Cancer, money and career. October 2021. Two of Wands. Cancer, money and career. Wow, Justice. Wow. Cancer. What a beautiful month you have here. You have, as Major Arcana, the Magician, the Star card, the Hermit, and Justice. Wow. Transformation there is. I mean, beginning of transformation. You now believe again, Cancer. You can make this happen. It has been a long haul. It has been very difficult, and it's time now. You believe again. You believe in life. You believe in career. You can believe in new things. You believe you can move on to another career. You can create another career. You believe in yourself again. You believe in yourself again. You have the King of Cups, the Queen of Swords, understanding what you can do in this next step, understanding that you can move forward. You need to make a decision and to move forward and choose something else. It's emotional, King of Cups, but now clear. It has been foggy. It has been difficult. Like I say in all the readings, for every sign, it has been, the wash cycle and rinse cycle of the washing machine. It has been difficult, but opening up last month in September, it seems like everybody was energies were opening up to new. People were opening up to new. Discovering oneself, discovering our new selves, and now working with our new energies, understanding our new energies, and then creating something new, a new chapter, a new path, a new job, a new career with these new energies. We're new. We have to discover ourselves. We have to learn to accept these energies, learn to adapt to these new energies, and learn to accept oneself, accept that we are different, that we are now, we react differently to things, and we are dealt a different energy that we have to channel, and we have to learn how to do that, right? So you're mastering that, King of Cups, emotionally balanced. You are now understanding what you're made of, and how you can transform this career, transform this next step into something that corresponds to you, that's fulfilling to you. Everyone's different, right? You are balanced. You have manifested, Cancer, your balance in life and your control. You have manifested to understand how to navigate the next step. I feel like a lot of the magician that are the magician's card that is coming up repetitively in all these readings is to also say we have manifested the new version of oneself. We have manifested the new energies of oneself, and manifested along with that understanding the new ways to make things happen. Seeing clear, being emotionally balanced, being able to make decisions emotionally balanced and no longer irrational, right? Moving forward. 8 of Wands, making that decision, choosing that path, choosing that career, choosing that new job, whatever you wanted, Cancer, whatever you wanted, you wished for, you now have those open energies to believe again and push forward. It has been, the Hermit has been in every reading, every single reading, because we all soul searched. We all tried to figure out this next path. We all tried to understand what the heck was going on, right? And for all these months, even years now, to understand what this was all about and how we grow, how we grew, and how we get out of this and what we're made of. And so, yes, the Hermit is that guide to the next chapter, believing in yourself, believing in this next chapter. Finally, understanding that, there are positive energies coming in, pushing you forward, seeing the light, literally seeing the light. Being kind to yourself, understanding that, yes, you can be positive. And you can find something fulfilling, right? Something for you. You have the Justice and the 2 of Swords, right? Making that decision, but making a decision that corresponds to you, that is important to you, right? The Justice is about fairness, something that you connect with, something that you master, finding balance, understanding that this next chapter will be fair to you, or you won't take it. You're ready though, 2 of Wands. You're ready to open up now. You've been closed off for a long time. Many signs have been closed off for a long time in your tower, just going through day by day, day by day, sorry, can't find my words, maybe stuck at home, working remote. But even, it doesn't even have to be that you're not out and about. You have been closed off to connection, closed off to relationships, closed off to people, closed off maybe to family, right? Not non-communicative, just in your tower, right? And just making ends meet, making whatever you need to happen, and not looking beyond. Now you have allowed yourself, you're allowing yourself to look beyond and believe in yourself beyond, and believe in creating that next chapter. And opening up to the world, doing new things, daring new things, daring to think out of the box, daring to think differently, daring to get out there and try something new. I don't know why I'm getting all crazy, but yeah, go out there, Cancer. You're ready to go. You're ready to go to move on to something completely different and get some air. Dust yourself off, because you're going out in the world, Cancer. It's funny. All right. I didn't call the cards, but that's okay. Yes, fair. I'm just going to put this here. Yes, something equal. Something that fulfills you, that corresponds to you. But also that you might be working with people that you connect with, right? Some people you feel comfortable with, and you think the same way. You're on the same wavelength, right? And you're very generous, Cancer, with your time, with your you might be caring for people as well. You might be taking on something social, or teaching, or caring for people, social justice, mentor, teacher, right? Nurse, anything like that. You might be doing that. Whatever it is now bringing you balance, because it's fair. It's fair deal. It's fair deal. You're finding something in life that you really, really feel happy and comfortable with. All right. Why is this Magician here? Clarify the Magician. Yes, happy. Exactly. Happy. Wow. The Sun. Something that makes you happy. Your next step, your next goal, your next chapter, your next path, call it what you want, whatever it is. Comment down below, Cancer. Let me know what you're doing. Is something that is fulfilling and making you happy with the right people, on the right project, accepting the right job, right? Being offered a beautiful job that you were dreaming of. King of Cups. You know what? I'm going to pass the King of Cups and the Queen of Swords, because that is finding your balance and seeing clear, right? And let's go on to see what this is. Cards just come out. Yes. Right? Perfect. The end of a cycle. Right? You see, you know, Cancer, that was the end. But these energies are not only ends of cycles of jobs, careers, they are also end of cycle life cycles, right? In other words, everything goes together. Your mind, your soul, and your work environment at the same time. For this world situation that is still going on, it is a global energy, right? So everything goes with it. It's sort of that wave that brings, that takes everything with it. And to readapt and realign oneself completely, not only work, but life, family, oneself, trying to adapt and push forward our different ideas, our different ways, because we've changed. And now we're pushing forward in a completely different way. And what I love about this cycle, that as much as has been difficult, as much as it has been confusing and foggy and a total disconnect, honestly, at one point with the world, it has energized us and pushed us to change, to think bold. Well, that's it. As much as it has been difficult, it has pushed us to dare, right? We are now much more daring in our choices, much more bold in our choices. We dare much more than we did pre-world situation. We believe in ourselves much more than we did pre-world situation, and we love ourselves more because we're more connected to oneself. We understand oneself. We understand ourselves much better. So now we can create a new path that corresponds to us. But yes, we're so much bolder. I love it. All the comments I read, I'm changing this, I'm doing my dream, I've always dreamt of this, now I'm doing it, I'm finally leaving that job, I'm finally leaving that relationship, I'm finally creating my own business, I finally, yes, here we go, finally believing in oneself. 8 of Wands on 8 of Wands. Finally believing and pushing forward with these new energies, and actually being excited that we don't know exactly what's going to go on. Less anxiety, more excitement, more inspiration to create new. We're opened up to the world. The world is your oyster, Cancer. Push forward. You're making that decision anyway here in October. You have clarity. You're making that decision. So whatever your decision is, to what way are you going, push forward. Go for it. Be bold. I think it's something that you've been thinking of for a while, because you do have the 9 of Cups. Wishing, hoping that this is going to happen. Yes, making that decision. You're changing paths, Cancer. This is it, this month. You're making that choice. Whatever was, you were feeling stuck, doing a lot of things, not really able to figure things out, just feeling stuck, constantly feeling stuck. When's the next path? When is this going to move again? When's that Wheel of Fortune going to come again and move things around? I need to be dealt a new, a new chapter. And this is it. This is it, Cancer. After a long period of soul searching and blockages and disconnect and confusion, right? Two of Pentacles is juggling a lot of things, doing a lot of things, and having to make decisions, right? But also setting your priorities, your personal priorities. What do you want to project forward? What are you creating? What's the 2 of Wands here about? 2 of Wands? Why is the 2 of Wands here? I feel like, yes, creating. Yes, you have the Queen of Wands, which is someone that is bold and creative and makes decisions and makes things happen. She knows how to turn ideas into reality. She knows how to start a business, find the finances, get a team together. She's leading the way, making things happen, Cancer. I feel like that's you. And you have the Lovers, making a major decision, the Lovers, right? It's all about values, understanding who you are now, understanding that this can happen. Lovers about making a bold decision. The desire to push forward. making that choice to push forward. Yes. After a long, long meditative soul search, right? You know what the consequences are now. You know that you're making this decision. And you have the Knight of Cups. And the Knight of Cups is moving ahead. Starting a new project. Inspired. Creative. I think this is a creative project. I don't know. Can be writing, can be painting, can be music, can be anything. It feels like artistic, creative. Let me know what you're creating. But this is the month. This is the month that it's all happening. You're choosing to put it all out there. Beautiful, Cancer. All right, let's see if there's one last card for the road, Cancer. One last card for the road. It's your month. Justice, yep. Justice. Justice is, you know, twice justice. Knowing that this is your time, Cancer. Your time to make it happen. Your time to make that bold decision that's going to impact the rest of your life, right? Your time to, might impact you, might impact others, but your time to make it happen, to make that decision. You have 2-time justice and the 2 of Swords. Major, major, major bold decision in your life. Good for you. Good for you, Cancer. I mean, now's the time. I really think that you're making that choice. You're finally believing in yourself. I hope you believe. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Cancer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this reading and have never watched any of my readings before, there are money and career readings up. Focuses on the end of year, November, December, October, November, December, if you're interested in taking a look at that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's important. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.